Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Let me tell you a hard truth. Good intentions don't control money. Motivation doesn't control money. Hope doesn't control money. Rules control money. Today, I introduce a brand new framework, the Money Governance System, TM. This explains why wealth stays only where clear financial laws exist. Section 1. What is money governance? Money governance is the system of rules, boundaries, protocols, accountability. Without governance, money leaks. Section 2. Why most people have no money rules. Most people spend emotionally, save randomly, invest without policy, borrow impulsively, upgrade lifestyle without limits, ungoverned money rebels. Section 3. The Money Governance System Model. The Money Governance System, TM, has 4 governing laws. Law 1. Income allocation. Law. Fixed percentages. Automated distribution. No exceptions. Allocation creates order. Law 2. Spending authority law. Clear spending limits. Approval rules. Cooling off periods. Impulse loses power. Law 3. Saving and investment law. Priority before spending. Long-term focus. Risk boundaries. Wealth grows inside rules. Law 4. Lifestyle governance. Law. Controlled upgrades. Income-based thresholds. Sustainability. First, lifestyle obeys income, not ego. Section 4. How to install money governance. 1. Write personal money laws. 2. Automate enforcement. 3. Remove emotional overrides. 4. Review rules quarterly. 5. Adjust only with logic. Rules protect wealth. Section 5. Signs. Your money is governed, predictable growth, calm decisions, reduced regret, financial clarity, money stays longer. Conclusion. Strong close. Money does not need more desire, it needs governance. Install the money governance. System TM and wealth will finally submit to structure.